It doesn't mean that it's doing to our Kisii County. We have our governor, we have members elected. We were to be involved as members of Kisii County Assembly to know that there is a problem here of GSU. How can we work on it? But when we were not involved, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I want you to protect me from laymen.
Honorable members, order.
Mr. Speaker, let me raise my point.
Order.
Let me finish my point.
That's seated. Order. Get seated, Your Honorable Member. Order. Buhari, order. Ishamael, order. Honorable members, order. Honorable member, while you were away, you could have asked the person you left to tell you what was happening. But Honorable member, I want to inform you that the conducive environment that I have given this house, that's why we're discussing these issues. There is no any environment I will offer as the speaker for honorable members to discuss apart from this house. The Kamukunjis is for our own issues. So if you have anything you need to bring out, and I am at the media here, bring it here. I don't have any other space as the speaker. No, we are not finishing. Standing order number 83, honorable members, standing order number 83, subsection 3, and I want to read